Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to show you how to add a signature to your Zoho CRM profile. First, let's start on the home page of Zoho CRM. We are using a new account, which is why you don't see much data here. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the settings area. You can find it by clicking the wrench and screwdriver icon in the top right corner. Let's click that. Welcome to what I call the settings area. Here you'll find about 9 different sections, each containing 3 to 6 options. Our focus will be on the General section, specifically under Personal Settings. You'll see the profile of Tom Jefferson, the CEO of Tom's software business. There's some information about him here, but if you scroll down, you'll find the Signature section. This is what we are interested in. In this section, you can start creating a customized signature. For example, Tom Jefferson's profile might start with his basic details, but you can add more, like his website. You can insert a link to the website by highlighting the text, clicking Insert Link, and adding the URL. The signature can be personalized for each user. This feature is particularly useful for email templates, allowing you to automatically include the unique signature of the sender. Once you're done, just hit Save, and your signature will be ready for use. That's all there is to adding email signatures in Zoho CRM. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments so we can continue to provide valuable content for you. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and feel free to leave any comments below. Enjoy the rest of your day.